Hello student, we are going to today we are going to perform testing of voltage transformer. Objective of this experiment to find ratio error and phase angle error of test VT by an absolute method. This is the circuit of the experiment. At first variac and then isolation transformer, and now it is test PT and primary and secondary sides, and connect a burden impedance and measuring instrument ammeter, voltmeter, and 3 resistance and 1 capacitor here, and R1 and R3 are fixed resistors. R2 standard decade resistance box used in the circuit, and also C decade capacitance box here. A null detector placed in this position, use a CRO as a null detector. A selector switch for position 1 and position 2 used for position 1 equivalent circuit here, and position 2 equivalent circuit. Any one of them position we can use. It is variac, output voltage 0 to 270 variable voltage, and connect with isolation transformer, and other side of the isolation transformer connected in test PT and primary side of the PT, and secondary side of the PT this one, and primary side of the PT we connected with isolation transformer. This is R1 33 kilo ohms. This is R2 decade resistance box variable, and this one is R3 fixed resistance 2 kilo ohms. This one is decade capacitance box variable. This is our standard burden impedance, ST type, and ammeter, and showing voltmeter. This is a selector switch, 2 position 1 and 2. This is a CRO null detector. First we will set rated voltage of the PT 25 volt using variac. And we will change the current of rated current 0.8 ampere using burden impedance. Now we can see the circuit is unbalanced. Now we will balance the circuit using R2, varying R2 and varying C. Now it's balanced. Now we'll take the value of R2 and C. Next, by varying Vs, keeping Zs constant, to set the Vs 120%, 80%, 60%, 40% of rated voltage. In each case, we need to note the value of Is, and we have to balance the circuit by varying R2 and C and note the value of them. Now we will vary Zs to set 120%, 80%, 60%, 40% of its rated current by varying the burden impedance. and we'll keep Vs constant at rated voltage. Now, using same procedure, we have to balance the circuit and take the reading for each case. Now, by calculation, we will find the actual ratio, percentage ratio error, and phase angle error in degree.